Welcome back everybody, and today I'm going to show you how to make a loud master without any distortion. So grab your plugins and let's go! So here we are in the sequencer again, and this is the song we're going to master. It's a Latin house track based on the famous party breaker Ladies from the Crooklyn Clan. Check it out! So that's the track, and the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to solo the kick boss. And now that the kick is playing, I'm going to raise the gain from the standard clip until it starts clipping. And the trick is to only clip the transients of the kick. If I start pushing it too far and I clip the bass from the kick, you can hear the distortion coming in. And then I bring it back a little. So did you hear what was going on? I pushed it a little bit too far. I brought it up to 13 decibels and it started distorting. So I brought it back to 12.2 decibels and the kick sounded clean again. And since the kick is the loudest instrument in the mix, everything else should have a lower volume. Here you can see that the snare is being clipped as well, but there's no problem. The snare is a short instrument and it's only the transients that are being clipped. Here you can see that the sub is not being touched. Also the bass is not being touched. The lead sound is being clipped, but once again, only the short transients, nothing to worry about. And as you can hear, as I solo this lead plug, there's a distortion going on, but it's in the sound itself. It has nothing to do with the clipping. So now that I checked all the other instruments that none of them are distorting, I'm going to turn on all the buses or stems and see what the end result is going to be. So that's it. As you can see, I was averaging between the -5 and -4.5 decibels LUFS. That's how I get my loudest master. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Also, if you like the song, you can download it from my SoundCloud. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.
Liquid means rewind, the gunshot means forward. You requested it, so we rewind.